Merry Christmas, everyone, and happy holidays. I got a special holiday video today. I'm gonna mount some Christmas decorations to a hoop and then give it a spin. Also, before we continue, this video is part of a series called What Can I Mount to a Hoop? In some of the previous videos, I mounted Coca-Cola Zero and Mentos to a hoop. I also mounted dry ice and hot water, so I definitely recommend checking out those videos as well. Now back to the Christmas hoop right here. So basically the way this is gonna work is I'm gonna take this hoop right here that I can mount things to, and then I'm gonna take these Christmas decorations, many of which I bought from the dollar store, and then I'm gonna basically put these on the hoop, and then we're gonna go outside and give it a test spin and see what it looks like. So now I'm gonna show you how to decorate a hoop with Christmas decorations. And first up, I have this 50-foot rope garland that I'm basically just gonna wrap around the hoop. Also, for those of you that are interested in participating and you have your own hoop at home, you can totally decorate your own hoop with Christmas decorations. For this step, you don't actually need one of these special hoops that have these things protruding out from it. Pretty much the reason why I'm using this hoop right here is because this part of the hoop I'm going to mount little Christmas tree decorations to. For this step with the garland rope, you can just take a regular hoop and wrap it with the garland rope and then attach other decorations to it. But let's now get back to wrapping the hoop with the garland rope. So there you have it. That's what it looks like with the rope garland attached to the hoop. Pretty much I just used 50 feet, and I even have some leftovers here which I can just cut off with some scissors. Now for the fun of it, I'm curious what this hoop would look like without these little mounting loops attached. So I'm gonna actually take them off, because with this hoop I can just twist these guys off of here to give you an idea of what this hoop would look like without those. So I'm gonna take this one off as well. So there it is. There is the wreath hoop. This literally looks like a wreath. This could actually be a good wreath that you could hang someplace. Now, the next thing I want to add to this hoop is some jingle bells. Now, I don't know if the official name for these bells are jingle bells, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to call them jingle bells. It does say decorative bells on the box. Got these from the dollar store. They actually came with the little ties. So I'm going to go ahead and tie these around the hoop. So there you have it. I've attached some jingle bells to this hoop. Let's go outside and give this a test spin. So here's the hoop right here. I got my wreath hoop with my jingle bells on it. You can hear the jingle bells if I shake it. All right, so I'm gonna try this out and give it a spin. So let's put it on my body. It's actually fairly light for a hoop, but let's give it a spin and see how it goes. Look at that, I'm spinning a jingle bell wreath. I got my jingle bell hoop doing some tricks. Oh, I lost a jingle bell there. But yeah, this hoop is pretty awesome, actually. So there you have it. For some of you at this point in the video, you may be done making your hoop, but let's go add some extra Christmas decorations to this hoop. So that was a cool experiment with the jingle bell wreath hoop, but I want to add some more Christmas decorations. So I'm going to go ahead and put these little mounting loops back onto the hoop right here, because now I want to see if I can mount these little miniature Christmas trees into these mounting loops and then give it a spin. But before I add the Christmas trees to the hoop, I'm going to take some more rope garland here and I'm going to wrap it around these little mounting loops. I finished putting the rope garland on the rest of the mounting loops. Now it's time to mount the Christmas trees. Now literally for the next part, I'm just gonna attach these Christmas trees to the hoop using these little zip ties right here. So here it is. Here is my Christmas hoop right here. I put the Christmas trees and some Christmas lights on the hoop. But now I'm gonna turn some of the lights off in my room here, and let's turn these Christmas lights on and see what it looks like. But now I want to go ahead and do the real test and spin this hoop around my body. I'm curious if some of these dollar store decorations, these lights that I got there as well, will just fling off. So let's see what happens. So now it's time for the big test. I'm going to give this hoop a spin with the Christmas trees on the hoop and the lights. Let's do it. Whoa. This is a little bit heavier of a hoop, but it seems to be holding up, kind of. I think so. I don't know, maybe let's look at the slow motion to see what this looks like, spinning this Christmas hoop around. So what did you think of my Christmas hoop right here? I'd say for the most part, when I was spinning it around, you know, it felt all right on my body. Yes, it is a little bit heavier of a hoop. Also, I would say that the jingle bells, yes, the dollar store decorative bells that I got for this, some of them came off. So, you know, those weren't the highest of quality, or at least the strings that came with those bells. But for the most part, you know, this hoop, I would say, worked out. So let me know what you think. Also, this video is part of a series called What Can I Mount to a Hoop? So if you want to see me mount more things to hoops, please go down to the comment section and let me know what you want me to mount to a hoop. And the comment that gets the most likes, I may actually consider your idea. Also, visit my channel to see more hula hoop videos, you know, more fun videos. Yes, happy holidays, everybody. Until next time.